Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to install the latest Doomsday Kodi build on your Kodi 21 app. Without wasting much of your time, this is Streamlab HQ, and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button, so that when I update, when I post the latest builds, then you'll be able to see it on time and keep your own Kodi app updated. Okay. So this particular Doomsday build, it works on any Kodi enabled device, like your TVs, your Amazon Fire Stick, and your PCs, anything at all that supports the Kodi app. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing to do, like I always tell us in my videos, you need to first of all make sure you enable the unknown sources, stuff from unknown sources. And to do that, you have to go to the settings, go to systems, and on this panel you look for the add-ons, click on add-ons, and you check this option. Yeah, this has to do with you on access to personal installing. You have to click yes here. So that is that for this. Subsequently we'll be adding a source like where we'll be pulling our repository files from. So, and this particular source is going to be the Doomsday Build source. So I want you to make sure you listen attentively and follow these instructions, so that you will not make any mistakes while installing yours. Let's go to the home page. Okay, I'll go to File Manager. I click on Add Source. Click on Add Source. Click on Add Source and click on None. So this is the URL to pull the Doomsday Kodi build from. So make sure you type exactly the same thing I'm going to type now. And if you're having any issues while installing yours, you can leave a comment in the video. And again, I have one of the most popular Kodi builds is the Big Xenon build, but most people think that that's the most interesting build. But this particular build is also very okay, because it has so many features, so many functionalities that are still as good as that of the Big Xenon. But okay, let's proceed with the installation first. So the URL is https Doomsday Doomsday. So this is the address, and please make sure you type it exactly the same way I did, so you'll not encounter any issues while installing yours. So after entering the address, you click on OK. You can see the default media source name is Doomsday. You can as well change it if you want, but I always like leaving my media source name the same way, the default way. So we click OK here. So we've added the source now. So we'll have to go back to the main page again. Okay, then we'll click on add-ons now. So for this installation now, for this Doomsday Kodi build installation, we'll have to first of all install from a zip file. Then after which you'll be installing from a repository file. So I'm going to click on install from zip file. Okay, we have a list of options here, but I'll click on this Doomsday. Okay, then you'll see the repository Doomsday zip file, so you click on it again, then allow it to install. Once the installation is done, okay, Doomsday repo add-on installed, so we click on install from repository. Okay, we have Doomsday repo here already, so we click on it. Program add-ons. So click on this Doomsday simple wizard. So while it's installing, please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please help me hit the subscribe button. That's the only support I'm asking of right now. So um okay, we are done with the installation. Good. Okay. All right. So keep close it here. Okay. Remind me later. So you open it and you see this open button. Click on it. So okay. This is where it gets more fun. So we have a list of options here. This is the menu of the Doomsday Kodi build. So we have to click on this build menu. Okay, so this particular Kodi build, the Doomsday build, it has so many sub builds inside. So we can see we have the Cube Cinema version, we have the Christmas version, we have the BK version, we have the Volcano version, we have the AI Revolution version, so many of them. So it depends on what particular stuff you're looking for. If you are looking to use it for to watch sports and everything on sports, you can install this. Have so many builds here. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be installing. Okay, let's go with this Christmas build. Okay, the wizard is ready to install your build. Click OK, continue. It's okay. It's a 249 MB file, so I have to pause the video now, so I'll not bore you the long process. So guys, the installation is completed, and let's hold on while the files are being extracted. Okay. So good. The installation is now complete, and we have installed the Doomsday build on our Kodi app. So what you just need to understand is that Kodi has a lot of builds, and it depends on what you are looking for actually. Okay, so that's it guys. We are done with the installation. Once I click on OK, the app will be closed. Then when I open it again, the new build we have installed will start taking effect. And thank you so much for sticking till the end of this video. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg of you to subscribe. That's the only support I get from you guys, and it will encourage me to do more videos and look for check for the latest build, and make the installation guide easy for you guys. So this is the only thing I can ask of you, to just subscribe to this channel, and um, if possible hit the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to get it as soon as possible. So thank you guys, and you guys should stay cool. Thank you.